Hi friends, I am Emre Ata. Hope you are all well. This video is for new users or those already subscribed to Binance who do not know how to trade tokenized American stocks. Our topic for today is Circle. How can you trade Circle? I am going to show you how to do this on Binance Global and the Binance Mobile. Also, you can use my referral codes, BESTCODEMAX or FUTURESMAX, when you are registering. These codes will provide you with some great benefit, and they support my work. Let's get to the video. Yes, my friends. Now, before buying the tokenized American stock Circle, we need to open an account on Binance Global. While opening the account, you can use the referral code that you see here. This referral code will provide you with advantages while you are trading. Now, when you are registering, you can use your Google account, Telegram account, Apple account, email address, or your mobile number. In the next step, you will need to complete KYC verification on your Binance account. You can complete this KYC verification process using your passport, national ID, residence permit, or your driver's license. Now, in order to buy Circle from the tokenized American stocks, we must first deposit some money into Binance Global. How are we going to do this? First, we click on the wallet. After that, we click on the Add Money section, which is the yellow one. You can select the option that is most suitable for you here. I will select the American dollar here. We need to choose a stable coin. It could be USDC or USDT. I will show you using Tether. I am writing $500 here. As you can see, it says Preview Order. After you click there, your purchase transaction will be completed, my friends. As you can see, you can select your card or a bank transfer here. You can choose whichever is suitable for you. Now, where do we go for tokenized American stocks? That is bStocks. We click on the market section in the lower part. We select Circle from here. As you can see, Circle Internet Group. bStocks. This screen is the trading screen, friends. When we click on buy, we see prices in red and green on the left. Reds are sell orders, greens are buy orders. The one in the middle is the current price. When buying, I click on one of the first two rows of reds in the top left corner. I write $500 here too. I click buy. In this way, you can buy to sell. Click the sell button. This time on the left side, you can select one of the first two from the green list. Here also, you enter the stock value you will sell and click sell. And that is how tokenized Circle is that simple and easy to trade on the Binance Global mobile app, friends. Yes, friends, this is how Circle is traded. If you would like more details, you can visit the Academy pages of Binance Global. On these Academy pages, what is FOMO? What is blockchain technology? How do you read charts? You can obtain information about all of these topics. Sincerely, Emre Ata.